how to delete an old address on Temu. How to delete an old address on Temu, step by step. Intro. Want to remove an outdated address from Temu? In this video, I'll show you how to delete an old address step by step. Step 1. Open the Temu app. First, open the Temu app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile, tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Step 3. Open Address Settings. Scroll down and select Shipping Address. Here you'll see a list of all your saved addresses. Step 4. Select the address, find the old address you want to delete, and tap on the Edit option next to it. Step 5. Delete Address. Now tap on Delete Address, then confirm to remove it from your account. Outro, and that's it. That's how you can delete an old address from Temu in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.